Ever feel like you're running a marathon in quicksand? Burning the midnight oil, drowning in emails, spreadsheets that look like hieroglyphics, marketing copy that just won't click, and the nagging feeling your competitors are somehow moving faster? Spoiler alert, they probably do. And it's not magic, it's AI. But forget the sci-fi hype. This isn't about robots taking over. It's about you taking back control. That's right, 10 AI tools every entrepreneur must master to win. Sounds bold? It is, because mastering these isn't just about saving time, though you'll save mountains of it. It's about unlocking superpowers, seeing what others miss, creating at lightning speed, making decisions backed by data, not gut alone. It's about scaling your impact without scaling your stress. But when you see a title like this, I bet 3 questions scream in your mind. Question 1. Is this just more tech noise? Another shiny object distracting me from real work? Honestly, yes and no, the hype is deafening, but the tools, they are quietly revolutionizing how the most successful founders operate. This isn't about chasing every new chatbot, it's about identifying the specific levers that lift your business off the ground. The tools we're diving into today aren't toys, they're the scalpels and power drills in the modern entrepreneur's toolkit. Ignore them and you're trying to build a skyscraper with a hand trowel. Question 2. But I'm not a tech wizard. Can I actually use this stuff? This is the best part. You absolutely can. The AI revolution we're in right now, it's defined by accessibility. No PhD required. We're talking about tools with interfaces you already know, chat boxes, your notes app, your CRM. The barrier isn't technical skill, it's knowing which tools solve your specific headaches and having the courage to try. Think of it like learning to drive a powerful car. You don't need to be a mechanic, just understand the controls. Question 3. Will this replace me? Will AI make entrepreneurs obsolete? Here's the raw truth. AI will replace entrepreneurs who ignore it. But for those who harness it, it becomes your ultimate force multiplier. AI won't steal your job, it will amplify your vision. It takes the grunt work, the research, the drafting, the number crunching, the repetitive tasks, off your plate. That frees you up for what truly matters. Strategy, creativity, building relationships, making the bold calls. AI handles the how. You define the why and the what next. It's not man versus machine, it's man with machine. Unstoppable. Welcome to Elite Growth Maps, your ultimate blueprint for mastering wealth, business, and self-development. These are the 10 proven game changers that top-performing entrepreneurs are using right now to build, scale, and dominate. Number 1, your Swiss Army knife on steroids. Meet your generative AI Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. This isn't just a chatbot. This is your instant brainstorming partner, your research assistant, your content creator, your customer service first responder. Stuck on a product name? Ask it. Need 5 different email subject lines to test? Done. Got a dense market report? Get a concise summary in seconds. Why it's elite? It tackles the mental grind. That friction point between an idea and execution? This tool smashes it. It democratizes access to instant knowledge and creative output 24/7. Founders who master prompting this are operating at twice the speed. Number 2, your central nervous system gets an IQ boost. You probably know Notion, the ultimate workspace for notes, tasks, wikis, and projects. Now inject AI directly into its veins. Notion AI is your embedded genius. Stuck in a rambling meeting transcript? Click a button, get a crisp summary, and actionable next steps. Writing a knowledge base article? It helps you structure it, refine the language, and make it crystal clear. Need to brainstorm project risks? It generates a list instantly. Why it's elite? AI isn't some separate app you jump to. It's seamlessly woven into the fabric of where you already work. Context is king, and Notion AI understands your context, your projects, your notes, your data. It amplifies your existing workflow, doesn't disrupt it. Number 3, your marketing machine, fueled and ready. Content is oxygen for growth. But creating high-quality, consistent, on-brand content at scale, that's a beast. Enter Jasper. This is your dedicated AI copywriter and marketing powerhouse. Need 50 Facebook ad variations for A/B testing? Jasper generates them in minutes. Staring at a blank page for a blog post intro? Jasper gives you 10 compelling options. Crafting product descriptions that convert? Done. Why it's elite? It doesn't just write. It learns your brand voice. It scales your marketing output exponentially without sacrificing quality or consistency. It turns content creation from a bottleneck into a fire hose. Essential for founders who need to dominate their niche online. Number 4, visualize your vision, instantly. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when pitching investors, engaging on social media, or prototyping a new product idea. But hiring designers for every visual need, costly and slow. AI image generators, Mid-Journey, DALL-E Stable Diffusion, are your instant art department. Need a futuristic concept image for your app? Describe it, get it. Want unique social media graphics that stand out? Generate dozens of options in your brand colors. Mocking up a website layout? Create placeholder visuals in seconds. Why it's elite? It democratizes visual creativity. You don't need design skills to communicate powerful ideas visually. It accelerates prototyping, marketing, and storytelling at a fraction of the cost. It turns imagination into tangible assets faster than ever. Number 5, never miss a beat or an action item. How many hours do you lose each week to meetings, and then more hours trying to remember what was said and who owns what? Fireflies.ai and Otter.ai are your silent super recorders. They join your Zoom, Teams, or Meet calls, transcribe everything in real time, and then deliver magic searchable transcripts, concise summaries, identified action items, key decisions, even sentiment analysis. Why it's elite. It eliminates the note-taking burden and ensures critical information isn't lost in the shuffle. It creates instant accountability and follow-up. Imagine ending a complex negotiation or strategy session and having the summary and next steps in your inbox before you've even grabbed coffee. This tool buys you back your most precious resource: focus. Number 6, the sales whisperer you always needed. For sales-driven businesses, your calls are your lifeblood. But how do you truly understand why deals are won or lost? Gong and Chorus.ai are like having an expert sales coach listening to every single call. They analyze conversations at scale, revealing patterns invisible to the human ear, talk-to-listen ratios, competitor mentions, pricing objections handled well or poorly, customer sentiment shifts, and exactly which phrases correlate with closing deals. Why it's elite. It moves sales coaching from anecdotal to data-driven science. You can pinpoint exactly what top performers do differently and replicate it across your team. You uncover hidden objections and market trends. It transforms your sales team from good to unbeatable by decoding the DNA of winning conversations. Number 7. Connect your universe and unleash workflows. Your apps hold your data, but they often live in frustrating silos. Zapier and Make are the universal translators and automation engineers. Connect your CRM to your email marketing, your e-commerce store to your accounting software, your lead forms to your Slack channel, without writing a single line of code. And now, they're integrating AI actions, automatically generate personalized follow-ups based on form entries, classify support tickets using AI, enrich leads with data pulled from the web. Why it's elite. It shatters app silos and automates the mundane. It turns repetitive tasks into background processes that just happen. This is the glue that holds your tech stack together, supercharged with AI, freeing you and your team for high-value work. Number 8, ask your data anything. Get answers. Spreadsheets overflowing, dashboards confusing, spending hours trying to figure out what the numbers mean. Julius AI and tools like Tableau GPT are your on-demand data scientist. Upload a spreadsheet or connect to your database and ask questions in plain English. What caused the sales dip in the Midwest last quarter? Show me customer churn trends by acquisition channel. Forecast revenue for next month based on current pipeline. It analyzes, visualizes, and explains why it's elite. It democratizes data intelligence. You don't need to be a SQL guru or stats expert. It uncovers hidden insights buried in your numbers fast. It empowers every founder to make decisions based on evidence, not just intuition. Turn data from a burden into your most powerful advisor. Number 9. Your polished professionalism, every word, every time. Communication is everything. Typos, clunky sentences, or the wrong tone can undermine trust instantly. GrammarlyGO goes way beyond fixing commas. It's your real-time writing coach and collaborator. Stuck starting an important investor email? It can draft options. Wrote something that sounds too harsh? It suggests a more diplomatic tone. Need to make a complex point clearer and more concise? It rewrites it. Why it's elite. It elevates your communication effortlessly. ensuring every email, proposal, social post, and document reflects professionalism and clarity, builds immense credibility. It protects your brand in every interaction and makes your writing powerful and persuasive. Number 10. Turbocharge your tech engine even if you're not technical. Even if you're not writing code yourself, your product is your code. Development speed is critical. GitHub Copilot is like pair programming with an expert coder 24/7. It suggests entire lines or blocks of code as developers type, auto-completes functions, explains complex code, and helps find bugs faster. Why it's elite, even for non-tech founders. It dramatically accelerates your development cycle. Features get built faster, bugs get squashed quicker, your technical team is happier and more productive. Faster iteration means faster learning and faster growth. For any founder with a tech product, this is rocket fuel for your most critical asset. Look, integrating AI isn't just about adding cool tools, it's a strategic shift. Before you dive headfirst, let's ground ourselves with some crucial realities. The key considerations every savvy entrepreneur must keep top of mind. Start with pain points. Don't adopt AI for the sake of it. Identify your biggest bottlenecks, for example, content creation, sales analysis, time wasted in meetings, and choose tools that solve those. Focus on return on investment, or ROI. Evaluate cost versus time saved or revenue generated. Many tools offer free trials. Start with those before you subscribe. Data is fuel. The quality of AI output often depends on the quality of data you feed it. For example, customer interactions for Gong, clear prompts for ChatGPT. Augment. Don't replace AI excels at automating tasks and generating options. Human judgment, strategy, creativity, and relationship building remain critical. Ethics and bias. Be mindful of potential biases in AI outputs and ensure responsible use, especially with customer data. Congratulations if you watched this far. Hit that like button right now if you're ready to embrace AI as your growth partner. Don't forget to subscribe to Elite Growth Maps and hit the notification bell. Share this video with one fellow entrepreneur who needs this map. Tag them below. Help them climb out of the quicksand and start building their empire. The tools are here. The map is in your hands. Stop running the marathon in quicksand. Equip yourself. Amplify yourself. Go build something elite. I'll see you in the next video that pops up on the screen.